Hi guys, it's Visible Money again. On this episode, I'll be glad to put you through on step by step as needed to download Koyn app on both Google Play Store and Apple Play Store, depending on the one that you use. I will also put you through registration procedures, how to register as a new user, then also how you verify your account, to increase the tier limits and also to set in some parameters. Then after that, we go to how to trade on Koyn proper. I will show you some insights. Koyn is not only for cash, you will also see how to convert crypto to crypto. Google Play Store. I will first go and look at the reviews. Let's check. Olorunfemi Adeyemo, this person. Say Koyn is definitely the most secure app to sell Bitcoin in Nigeria. This is a trust review. Another person, CJ Styles. The person said, I have been using this app for a few days now and it's been a game changer. They trust the app. Okay, let's look at the last person before we go. Ese Igbomuayi. This person said, I have been using the Koyn app for a while now and I must say it is been a game changer. So without further ado, we have seen that Koyn app and operation is very valid and authentic. Now, from the indication here, you can see it is already open. It means that I've downloaded it. This is Android version. Sign up for new user. The password must be combinations of alphabets and numbers. So one capital letter must be in your alphabet. Let's say unlimited 2025 for the purpose of this registration. Then it must tally. Make sure it tallies so that I can go then continue. That code has been sent. Copy it to paste it. Continue. Boom. You need a phone number. Continue. You can put Twitter or any other thing you like to continue. From the screen, you are going to use my referral code as your mentor and then for acquisition. Once you have it, you put the code there, then continue. You have to choose an avatar. Let's put the last one. Continue. Wow, Viola, the account has been created. So you now proceed to sign in. Great. Continue. Boom. The new account has been set. Username Lovetian. Then there are some things you have to do to finish up. First, you have to finish the profile setup. You will have to add your bank account. You have to create transaction PIN. These three are very, very important. Without them, you cannot do any transaction on this platform. This level, you have to come and do KYC. You can see tier 1 is because I've verified the email where I took the PIN. That's it will only give you limit of 500,000. If you want to transact more than that, you must come and do tier 2. Provide your BVN or NIN number, and then you also do selfie. If your KYC is perfect, it will look something like this. I will log in to my own proper account. Boom. Now from this proper account, let's go and check. You can see from the KYC side, everything about this account is perfect. So, ladies and gentlemen, I can say we have completed the registration KYC procedures. Distinguished viewers, as for trading proper, there are two ways to it. First, we can do crypto to crypto with the introduction of the swap, which you see here. So, and you can also sell your crypto to redeem cash using the sell. So let me first show you how to fund your account. So to fund this account, you need to deposit crypto. Click sell. There are only 6 assets at the moment that can be deposited. So let's assume you want to deposit SRP. You click next. Now on this note, I will like to remind you, the minimum that can be traded on Koyn is $10, nothing less. So to deposit, copy this address using this copy button as you have seen it. If you are new and you don't know how to do it, you can do the screenshot of this QR code, then upload it at your other crypto, wherever you want to send your assets to this place. Then let's go to form the account. I have SRP already in this account, worth about $13.13. So that means we can make withdrawal. Good. Paste the address. Koyn is operating DEX. DEX does not need tag. So click on this button to close it. You don't need it. Then I go for max, then withdraw. So confirm. Okay, it's done. So we are going to wait for it and check it at the other side. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm happy to inform you the SRP has been deposited correctly. So the next thing to do now is to showcase how to swap crypto for crypto using the swap feature here. Now, for instance, let us now do crypto to crypto swap. You go to this swap button and click it. We want to assume that we are swapping from SRP to any other token. So click the asset SRP. So you can pick it up. Let's assume we are swapping to Notcoin. Great. Now, if it is crypto to crypto, pay attention. The first thing you need to consider is your destination wallet address. That is the exchange or external platform you are sending it to. So you put the wallet address here, paste it there. Now, you also have to provide refund address, which is for your SRP. The refund address for this operation is your Koyn deposit address that we used the other time, so that in case your transaction fails, it can be returned back to your Koyn account. I hope you got that right. So that is how to basically do crypto to crypto swap in this very platform. I'll just withdraw the balance I have here, 18,910. So I come here, enter the max amount, then proceed, then choose the bank account. I choose DAO Pay, then click, then continue. Put the pin. That's all. Transaction successful. We can check it up. Great. The money has been successfully deposited. We can see it here. The accurate amount 18,910. The 15 naira is the stamp duty that was charged by the bank. So the balance is net of stamp duty. Now, what are other things that can be done with this app? Let's go to dashboard. Here, you can also use this app to pay for utilities. Like now, I just claimed 200 naira for referring Lovett. You see, I claimed it because for every referral, you have a reward of 200 naira for now. So for the utility, you can always pay any bills. You can use to buy airtime. You can use this app to buy airtime. You can pay for internet data. You can pay for cable, subscription, electricity. You can see it has real world usage. So it's not just crypto. And when you want to pay, you use utility button. When you want to swap crypto to crypto, you use swap button. Ladies and gentlemen, this is where I will draw the curtain on this tutorial. You have learned how to download the app, you have learned how to register, you have learned how to verify, perform KYC to increase your tier limits, and I've shown you how to do crypto to crypto swap and also how to sell crypto for cash. Here, no middleman. You don't have to wait for somebody to load you fake deposit slip or payment slip. So once you just have crypto in your wallet deposited, use the withdraw button within speed of lightning. You see bank alert. So, and you should tell people about this app that doesn't allow fraudsters to hide under any cover again. You sell with peace of mind and you receive your money at when you need it and very, very fast. I'll see you another time. If you have comments about this app, you can do so by reaching out to the developer either via the Google App Store or through the support of the company, or you can also comment through my Twitter. Thank you. God bless you.